Hi all, welcome to Excel Pro. Today we are going to discuss about some interesting topic in Excel, that is text to column. It is available under data menu. You can see the option text to column. Why it is used for? Here I am having a sample name list. So for example, if I want to separate this first name and last name separately, you can see my separated here is comma. That is first name and last name got separated by comma. So I'll use this comma as my delimiter and I'll separate the names in separate columns. First you will need to select the source data, and next I have to go to text to column feature under data menu, click on it. So here I have two options. First I'll explain with the first option, that is delimiter. Delimiter is nothing but the separator. In my case the separator is comma. So I am selecting the comma as the separator. If you have any other separator, you can check this checkbox other and type the separator over here. If the separator is not listed in this scope. So in my case the separator is listed, so I am just selecting as comma. So you can see the data preview. The result will be like this. The John got separated to some column and the Susan got separated to other column. So I am giving next in this wizard. Next, it is asking for destination. Destination in the sense where it will get the data, output data. So it is saying by default it is A2 column. That is my source column it's showing. In my case, I don't want to disturb the source. I want the result in separate column, new column. So I'm going to select that cell. So just click on the icon over here and select the cell. That is B2 is my source column. B2 is my output data. So again if I click the icon over here, it will show the result. Now I have to give finish. Now it is asking whether you want to replace the destination cells. Okay. So now you can see my name got separated to John Susan without this comma. Like this, you can use this option in your scenario. Next, I am going with method 2. Method 2 in the sense, like if I have the same data, nameless data, here A is my initial. That is, it is not having any separator. I am just having the first letter as initial in all my list. So I want to separate the first letter in one column, the other letter, other names in separate columns. So without any separator. So in this case, I'll select the source, go to this text column option. I go with the second option, that is fixed width. Fixed width, it automatically detect the space and separate the columns. Like say John and Susan have space between them. The result will be John Susan. Now I want it based on the width. That is first letter alone. I want it in some other column. So I'll select this ruler where I just click on the ruler where I want the column. That is, I'm selecting the ruler after A. Just click on it. So it drawn line over here. So my output will be John, Susan separately. If I wrongly selected this row, just double click it, it will remove. So I just select, click on it, it will draw a column over here. So I'm giving next in this option. You can see the data preview, the 3 rows. So I'm again changing the destination to B2. Okay. Now if I give finish, now you can see got separated in some column. John Susan name got separated to other columns. Here I am not having any delimiter, that is space, comma, semicolon. I don't have any delimiter. I just separated based on the width, that is first letter I got separated. Like this you can use this option. Final thing, method 3. Method 3, if I have more than one delimiter, like in first method I said John, Susan, that is one separator. Here I want to separate the Gmail address separately. That is, I have two limiters, that is comma and at symbol. So in this case, same procedure. I am selecting the source text to column feature and going with the first option delimiter. Here I can select comma and I am selecting the other option, That is, other I have mentioned that at symbol. For in your scenario, it may be semicolon or anything. For my case, it is at symbol. So at, you can see the source data, John, Susan separately, gmail.com separately, and the at symbol got removed and the comma also removed. This is more than one delimiter in the same text. So I am selecting the destination as B2 as usual. I am giving finish. You can see the result now. It got separated to separate columns, but we have more than one delimiter in this case. That's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or if you want me to discuss about any other topic in Excel, please comment below. To know more about Excel, subscribe this channel. Thank you.